Hi, I'm Ken. This is my wife, Sarah.
Hi.
And we are currently taking care of an incontinent elderly family member here in our home.
And for a few months now, we've been using PeelAways disposable bed sheets, and I couldn't be happier.
They save us from having to change the bed sheets after accidents, which, as you know, is a big hassle.
Anyone who cares for an elderly loved one knows that you have to change the sheets so often.
And do the laundry.
And it's very time consuming.
But with PeelAway sheets, you can remove the soiled layer without ever having to lift the loved one.
I love how easy it is. I highly recommend PeelAways disposable bed sheets.
So do I.